What is the one task that Amazon sellers dread more than supplier negotiations? Their accounting. We've seen so many successful FBA businesses get derailed all because their financial tracking couldn't keep up with their growth. The truth is, your Amazon business is leaking money if you're still managing your finances manually. And so in this video, we'll go through some of the best accounting softwares out there for your FBA business that can help you automate your finances and just breeze through tax season without any panic. So let's dive in, starting with why Amazon accounting software is essential in 2025 and beyond. Nowadays, running an FBA business just comes with so many obstacles and hurdles to overcome. First, you need to be able to track sales, not just in Amazon through FBA, but also through other channels if you're running them as well. And then there's Amazon's fees, storage fees, maybe PPC campaign fees. The list goes on and on. On top of that, you've got refunds and advertising costs. And all of these things make it even harder to calculate your true profitability. And let's not forget taxes. In the US, there's sales tax. In the UK and Europe, there's VAT. All of which vary by region and so require precise record keeping. Without the right tool, you're stuck with manual entries, mismatched records, and honestly, just wasting a load of time trying to manage your books. Now, trust me, as a business that's helped and worked with thousands of Amazon sellers, investing in good accounting software can just make your life a whole lot easier. It's probably one of the smartest decisions you can make for your business. Now, while there are plenty of solutions out there, you need to know that not all are created equal, especially if you're looking for a software like specific to Amazon FBA. So when it comes to choosing the right software, here's what you need to look for. First is the ability to integrate with Seller Central. The software you choose should either be able to link directly with Seller Central or at least connect to apps that then can connect to Seller Central. So this means you can directly connect your sales, your fees, etc., all in one place. Manual entries are just a recipe for errors. Secondly is multi-channel support. If you're selling on another platform like Shopify or eBay or Etsy, something outside of Amazon as well, your software needs to be able to consolidate all the data into a single platform. In terms of like tax compliance, look for tools that have features that can calculate your sales taxes automatically. And a feature that may be overlooked sometimes is user friendliness. It should be intuitive, even if you're not an expert in taxes and accounts and stuff like that. And of course, there's pricing. You need to consider your budget. There are tools out there that will charge like per usage, and then there are other tools that may charge per platform. So make sure the pricing scales with your business so you don't break the bank. So now then, with all this in mind, let's get into the tools that we think are the best out there for Amazon FBA sellers. All the links for the tools that we go through will be in the description. So let's get into the first one, which is Xero. Now, if you're looking for something robust that's cloud-based, you can't go wrong with Xero. Now, this is one of the tools that isn't actually built specifically for Amazon FBA, but it can integrate with the other tools, for example, like Zapier, so it can meet the needs of an FBA business. And here are a few other reasons why Xero is really good for FBA businesses. First is its real-time tracking. You get real visibility into your cash flows, expenses, and profitability. And this is crucial for sellers in particular that are selling across multiple platforms. Another good feature is its advanced reporting. It offers a lot of detailed reports, including profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, etc. And these reports can all be customized based on your business needs. It also has multi-currency support. Xero supports over 160 currencies, so if you're selling abroad as well as locally, you're covered. And to be fair, Xero is really user-friendly. It's intuitive, it's easy to navigate, and you can access all the information easily, even if you're not an accounting expert. Another great software is QuickBooks Online. In fact, this is one of the most widely used accounting softwares there is. And that's because it works for businesses of all sizes, no matter if you're just starting out or you're scaling to 6, 7, 8+ figures. Now again, this one isn't specifically designed for FBA businesses, but it is flexible and very robust, so it can integrate with all sorts of features to help you get what you need. The most important feature about QuickBooks Online is its comprehensive financial management system. It covers everything from invoices and expenses to payroll, and also then providing advanced financial reports. So as an FBA business, you can just manage all your finances from one location. And similarly to Xero, QuickBooks Online has a lot of integration capabilities. Now, it won't connect with Seller Central directly, but it can link with other tools that do link directly with Amazon Seller Central, automatically import all your data like fees, sales, etc. And this will ensure that your bookkeeping is accurate without the need for manual entries. This tool also has multi-channel support, so you can consolidate all your cross-platform and marketplaces into one single dashboard, giving you a complete clear view of your overall business performance. And perhaps an underrated feature of QuickBooks Online is its scalability. QuickBooks Online will grow with your business. It has tiered pricing plans, so you only need to pay for what you need at that particular time. Next up is Zoho Books. Now, if you're looking for an affordable but straightforward tool, then this is probably the one for you, especially if you're a smaller Amazon FBA business. It's not as feature-rich as Xero and QuickBooks Online, but it still has all the essential features that you need to manage your accounts effectively. One of the things that stands out with Zoho Books is its ease of use. It has a very clean and intuitive interface, and setting it up is really easy as well, so it just makes life a whole lot easier. Plus, you can still integrate it with other apps so it can collect data from Amazon Seller Central as well. For example, you can use Zapier to pull in your sales data, pull in your expenses data, and stuff like that. And it's all automatic, so this will save you tons of hours. Hours that you especially don't have as a smaller Amazon FBA business. It also has basic inventory management features as well. You can track your cost of goods sold, you can monitor your stock levels, plus a bunch of other features to help you ensure that you don't run out of stock. In terms of tax compliance, Zoho Books can automatically calculate your sales tax and also generate tax-ready reports to hand to your accountants. And this includes taxes for Europeans, so VAT, as well as US sales tax as well. And you can get all this for a very affordable price, which is why we said it's best suited for those who are just starting on their Amazon FBA journey. You get all the basics like invoicing, expense tracking, all at a very reasonable price. And as you scale, you can access different tiers and pay a little bit more to get more advanced features. Now, in terms of an Amazon or e-commerce specific accounting software, Link My Books is certainly one of the best options out there. This tool will link directly with your Amazon Seller Central account. This software will import all the Amazon data like sales, expenses, fees, etc., all without having to then use another app to do it. Another standout feature about this tool, to be fair, is its accurate categorization of transactions. This tool will break down Amazon's lump sum deposits line by line, like your product sales, your shipping income, your referral fees, and will automatically and accurately categorize them into the correct place. This tool also has multi-currency support, so again, if you're selling internationally, then you can just manage all your finances in one place. It also has customizable rules. So this means you can set up custom rules to perform repetitive tasks. For example, you can allocate specific fees or you can tag certain transactions. And this customization will allow you to save even more time than you would normally. And also this tool can deliver tax-ready reports. Whether it's sales tax, VAT, this tool will ensure your financial data is organized and compliant with the relevant authorities. And now the final tool we want to talk about is Sage. And this is probably more relevant for those of you who are running like larger or more complex Amazon FBA businesses. And this is because it does have advanced accounting features. There are a bunch of comprehensive tools for invoicing, tracking sales data, managing cash flows, and also then generating financial reports. It was built for the needs of growing businesses. So it's ideal for businesses with higher volume of transactions, as well as those that have multiple revenue streams. And with these advanced features comes the ability to customize your reports as well. And they're not just customizable, they are very highly detailed. Whether it's your profit and loss statement or just general tax summaries, you can get really deep insights into your business performance. And with this then comes scalability. Whether you're managing like thousands of SKUs or you're planning to integrate into a new market, Sage will grow with you without sacrificing on functionality. And everything run by Sage is saved on the cloud. So you can be sure that your data is secure and also accessible from anywhere around the world. Now these are our favorite tools, but no matter which tool you choose, here are a few tips to ensure that you get the most out of them. First, you want to make sure that you set up automatic bank feeds. Connect your business accounts and your credit cards to ensure that every transaction is accounted for. Make sure you're regularly reconciling your accounts as well. Don't just wait till tax season to do everything. You might want to consult with an accountant as well. If there are customization options available, then make sure that you use them. Use the dashboards and the reports so you get a specific picture of your business. And it might be a good idea just to have a general knowledge of the tax laws as well. The regulations do seem to change often and quickly. So just make sure that you're informed about any changes just in case it catches you out later down the line. So there you have it. These are the best Amazon FBA accounting softwares out there. No matter if you're just starting out or you're scaling up, these tools can help you save a bunch of time, reduce your errors, and just simplify tax season. Again, the link to each one is in the description, so make sure you check out and use the one which is best suited for your business. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.